Hey, hey, my beautiful and amazing people. Na true na dem talk say omo if you snatch person collect comot for person hand, say na all the days of your life na you go dey try to meet up. Na every Eke market day na you go dey try to prove a point even where it is not even needed. My people no be small thing o. Una know say na 5 days ago na Annie Macaulay celebrated her 41 years birthday, of which people that matters in her life celebrated her to the extent where her best friend Swanky Jerry took to his official handle, writing lots of wishes and prayers for Annie. Sotey he also surprised Annie with a little party, should I say get together party, because na friends that matters na dem dey there, where im go carry Annie come, e cover Annie's face, e presented flowers to Annie and other people too, her friends too wey really get something wey dem wan present to her. Swanky call her children, they talked on phone, like she saw her children live. They were the set of people, another set of people wey Annie celebrate, appreciate and love with her full chest, wey be say she no dey use dem dey play. And that wishes alone made Annie to shed tears of joy that at least she has got these people with her and she is so happy. As if Swanky know wetin go make Annie happy, he made sure that he do all impossible best to put a smile on her face, including tears of joy. After they celebrated that one, guess what? They still ended up going to party, which is on Sunday. Now be this video wey una dey see so. Swanky took Annie for party after party after party for her birthday. That is, that one is for she and her children and people wey genuinely love her, wey get one or two to give to her and all. Then after that one, they set aside weekend that they will go for party. And he ended up putting an everlasting smile in Annie's face. Like Annie even attested to the fact that this is one of the best birthday ever in her life. Now, no be where Annie drop this one, na there we end o. After Annie's birthday, the next day was Honorable Natasha Osaiwaru Orobosa's birthday. Now, Two-Face Idibia come celebrate im wife for im official handle in peace of mind. According to Two-Face, e wan follow wetin Swanky do, as Swanky write thank you and very much for Annie, his bestie. Na so Two-Face too carry am come im official handle, come write im own for im peace of mind. Dem just dey in competition with person wey no dey do competition with dem. No be juju be that. According to Two-Face, e say, "Happy birthday, my darling wife. I don't know how to express the love you have shown me. The peace, the laughter, the joy, the happiness is all overwhelming. I love you from the depth of my heart. Looking forward to forever with you. Happy birthday, baby. You complete me in every way. With love emoji at Honorable Osaiwaru." Na how Two-Face take drop am be that o. She will now be blushing that her husband has celebrated her. Now, as if that was not enough, on that particular day when Natasha celebrated her birthday, Two-Face had a show, which is that show where im do where he in 25 years on screen, his 25 years experience as an artist in Nigeria, in 25 years of accomplishment, his 25 years of so many things, both the bad and the ugly. Na that day be the day wey im set aside to celebrate im 25 years on screen. So he couldn't do much on that day, even though they say they will go still go that party, as he go acknowledge Annie. instead of acknowledging Natasha, say no be small drama happen. But after the drama, they now came back and Two-Face, according to Natasha, because na so they go tell us, say they celebrate them, they buy them gifts, then do this, then do that. At the end of the day, if you go find out, you go find out, say nothing like any gift anywhere. Sometimes they go say na car, they go later return the car to the owner. They say believe whatever you see on social media at your own risk. In as much as say camera dey wey dey record, forget it. But last we no go talk say na lie. Na so Two-Face and Natasha take surface. They come post pictures of where Two-Face carry dollar, wrap am like ancient of days, come put red flower on top of the dollar. Like something wey dem wan carry do sacrifice for four parted road. Carry give Natasha. As if that was not enough, we come still carry something for inside box. They do handing over and taking over to Natasha. And so many gifts like that, like that. Now, make una no forget, say, the time wey Two-Face and Natasha just start this their love new, when Two-Face come yarn wetin im yarn. Na so Natasha for inside car talk say Two-Face buy her Hermes bag. Una remember the tori? Say Two-Face buy her Hermes bag. When she talk say Two-Face buy am finish, when she wan finally enter the car come meet Two-Face, una see the drama wey happen. Two-Face was now confused. He was surprised that I no buy bag for this woman. That was his facial expression. Say because he doesn't even know what to say, because the thing came as a surprise. Maybe Natasha no tell am say she wan talk say im buy her bag or na wetin happen for there, na only God na im know. But Two-Face was kinda very surprised to hear Natasha saying that they bought her Hermes bag. At the end of the day, they still come let us know, say people wey dey sell the bag still come let us know, say no be original Hermes, so say na fake one. Say make Natasha enter house. Now she don come up with dollar wey dey carry red flower put on top. Come let us know now, say her birthday gift no be even Nigerian naira, say na dollar na im dey wrap. Na im online in-laws come dey ask our honourable question, say you sure say na original dollar be that, first of all? And secondly, that box wey dey your hand now, wetin dey inside? You sure say na original oji na im dey inside? Make una no come dey show us another thing, whereas una dey do another thing. The same thing, people come dey remind Natasha, say na so you tell us say Two-Face buy car, say Two-Face bought a car for your mother, according to the headline wey dey take post the car wey Natasha carry give her mother for birthday. Una talk say na Two-Face buy am. At the end of the day, your mama wan come acknowledge person wey buy car. Shebi if you wan acknowledge person wey buy car, if na true say na Two-Face buy the car, the mother go acknowledge Two-Face na abi? But the mother leave Two-Face go dey hug other people. Not even a handshake, or even the one wey be say Two-Face go bend down make she carry hand put for im back or something. The woman avoided Two-Face on that day. People come dey ask again, say Natasha, na you tell us say na Two-Face buy car for your mother. How come your mother come pass person wey buy car for her? After they open her eyes, she see car finish. If na say una tell her say na Two-Face buy am, how come she leave Two-Face come go dey meet other people, dey appreciate other people? Where is the lie and where is the truth? Wey come make people now dey doubt this their up and down, up and down. Why some come dey say she wan use am pepper Annie, make Annie see say Two-Face dey do the unimaginable. Why some dey say why e be say they like to dey copy? Na because of say Annie is getting the required love, so they want to copy her by all means. Me, I'm like, the sky is wide enough for everybody to fly. Anybody wey wan copy, make sure say e no copy nonsense. Make make sure say for inside e dey alright, before you go come copy wetin no good. Because last if you copy wetin no good, na you go still collect. Because na so dem do say peace of mind dey enter bros. At the end of the day, we later hear say na medical emergency na im dey later end up because for her bros they no fit hide am. Because if una observe, ever since that their trip, as they return back, they enter house, we never hear say bottle dey fly left and right. If no be say her bros humble Natasha and Two-Face. You see that very occasion wey Two-Face do now in 25 years on screen, wey im do, wey im go dey acknowledge Natasha, wey go dey acknowledge Annie, say thank you to Annie for standing by me, for being a good mother, for being a good wife, as at this period, this other, I didn't mean they never humble them for her bros wey dem go. Natasha for don throw bottle meet Two-Face for where im dey for stage. But because they don humble them, they now know that it's not everything you react on social media. You should use your facial expression instead. If una enter house, make una do the gbas very well. Now the one wey come shortalize people na how Mama Two-Face all of a sudden wey come cry out say make the whole Nigerians bear her witness, make the whole Nigerians help her beg, make Natasha leave her son alone. All of a sudden, Mama Two-Face come dey celebrate Natasha, dey open all her teeth, open all her mouth for laughing matter as if she take laughing gas. E come be like say wetin people dey talk say na everywhere belle face na e come be o. Na person for comment section, according to this person, he say, wait oh, Mama Two-Face, I want to ask you a question. Does it now mean that Natasha has also given you the bead? Because we don't understand this smile that you are smiling. This your mouth that you open down is very, very wide oh. Is it not too much like this? Like people come dey ask her series of questions. I no fit even read comments. They ask her, say, madam, you can't dey too laugh oh. Shebi that day you tell us say Two-Face dey under things and things. Say they don carry bead put for im neck, put for im hand. Na im make am e dey lose control. E no know wetin im dey do. Shebi last they also don give you the bead? Because e come be like say Mama Two-Face come even celebrate Natasha pass even the Natasha mother herself. E come be like say she don even forget her own son wey do birthday sef. We no see her laugh this hard. Wey come make dey ask say na the money na im make her dey laugh like this? Abi na wetin? Abi na the name of the Igbenidions? Abi na the Natasha as a politician? Abi na wetin exactly wey make her dey laugh? But the main thing here is that she once said it that her son don finally get peace of mind. Her son don reunite the family. Her son make the family now, they no dey divided. Anytime wey she wan come now, she's free to come. Because we don see her on plenty occasions where she dey come the Two-Face house now. She's now free to come any day, anytime. And during Annie's time, she's not allowed to come until she call. And even if she call, Annie go talk say dem no dey until they return. According to the mother, na wetin the mother talk be that. But now they don get allow to say they don put once inside. E come become allowance. Na im make e dey shine teeth, dey scatter for everywhere. I laugh a Roman figure. Say when e go sup? Na for this media space na we go dey. I pray make e no sup oh. I pray make e no happen. And anyhow wey e wan be, no come call Nigerians o. According to one commenter, e say now wey Mama Two-Face dey shine teeth, dey open mouth, dey do her 5 face everywhere belle face now. She no call us o. When e go be, make she no come dey shout, Nigerians, mothers, sisters, you people should help me. Nobody will help you. I pray a day like that will not even come, so that you no go come cry out. But in all of these things, who don observe say ever since Natasha came to the picture now, wey she don become housewife fully, Two-Face baby mama dem, dey respect theirself for where dem dey. Who observe am? Abeg, if una observe am, make una drop am for the comment section. Ever since Natasha came to the picture, including im children wey im born, wey im dey always dey go check that time wey im and Annie dey, wey im dey use the children as an excuse to go meet Pero, dey go abroad, dey go up and down. Ever since Natasha came into the picture, Two-Face never even go abroad for once. When he wan even go the abroad, na him and Natasha go the abroad, wey they go throw bottle for fence, wey they come say na medical emergency, wey they later return back. Two-Face no even get breathing space to even check up on him children after e enter abroad. Na where you go know say power pass power. Everybody shout power. Everybody shout power. Person wey dey with him peace of mind wey no fit even check him children wey him say him love, children wey him say na him owe them explanation, children wey him say he no dey use them dey play, those set of children wey when Annie was in the picture he dey use them dey go dey do the do, wey he dey use them dey go dey nakademus, Annie dey shout dey complain dey talk dey say she dey nag. Time don reach now, shebi all the whole baby mamas don dey useful, they don dey useful abi they never dey useful. Now nothing like baby mama this, baby mama that. It is Natasha or no one else. At least that one make she hold am tight. I pray make e no lose. I pray make e no lose oh, because the Two-Face we don talk am for podcast. They do podcast say him be polygamous man, but Natasha wan turn am to single man by all means. I pray it works for her. I pray it works for her. Guys, na the matter be this. So competition don come. Imagine they do competition with person wey no even know say dem dey, person wey dey live in life jejeje with him children, with her best friend, even though we no know whether they go date or they dey date. Na him Natasha dey use her dey do competition, dey wan pepper. I pray make the pepper no bounce back oh, because e get some kind pepper wey you go put for kpomo. If you too draw am, the kpomo provoke, the pepper come back. Your eye go tell you say this one na real pepper. Make you dey careful with how you say you wan take follow, how you wan take pepper person. E get why. Omo guys, na the matter be this oh. No be small thing oh. No be small thing oh. Carry belle put for front. Dey do all this drama with person wey no do drama with you. It is well. Nothing wey eye no go see, nothing wey Musa no go see for signpost on top of this Two-Face and Natasha matter. Last everybody go dey alright. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I just go need to beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop another ogbonge tori like this. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.